Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best couch spring repair is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your furniture, because it can save you hundreds of dollars on replacing your entire couch. This video will help you choose the right kit for your needs, covering everything from identifying the type of springs you have to understanding the repair process itself. We will also look at some of the best kits available on the market today, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value, so you can make an informed decision and get your couch back to its former glory. Number 5. House 2 Home 25 Couch Spring Kit. Is your couch looking a little worse for wear? This kit has everything you need to fix those sagging cushions and give your furniture a new lease on life. It's a simple solution for a common problem. You'll receive 4 heavy-duty springs, spring clips, plenty of sturdy wire, screws, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything is commercial grade for a long-lasting repair. We know tackling home repairs can be daunting. That's why we've created clear, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the entire process, making it easy for anyone to complete. These springs are made from 8-gauge wire, the industry standard for furniture. They're built to last, providing superior comfort and support for years to come. Each spring measures 25 inches long and 2 inches wide, with loops spaced 1 inch apart. And if you need a shorter length, you can easily cut them down to size. Don't replace your favorite couch. With this kit, you can easily repair it and enjoy its comfort for many more years. It's a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution. What we like? It includes everything you need for a professional-looking repair. The step-by-step instructions make the process simple, even for beginners. If you want a long-lasting, sturdy fix, this is the kit for you. What people say. I added 2 springs to a love seat electric recliner that had 4 springs for each seat cushion. Now I have 6 springs total in one of the seats. These came in a 25 length and I needed to cut the length of the spring to 24. Easy to do with a rotary tool with a cut-off blade. Mounted the new supports for the 2 new spring and am totally satisfied with the additional seat support. The 2 additional springs make this love seat sofa comfortable again. The springs are very good quality, firm support, perfect for the seat area. Easy to install if you know how to do it. Everything is supplied in the kit. Springs come sort of in a circular shape, so you need to step on them on the floor in order to make them lie flat. If too long, like in my case, you'll need heavy-duty metal wire cutter to cut them to size. Overall, excellent springs. We hired a handyman to replace 1 broken spring and he ended up replacing all 4, saying they were higher quality than on the chair originally. What a relief not to face replacing the whole chair, otherwise in mint condition. Number 4. House 2 Home Sofa Stay Wire. It's the same wire used by furniture manufacturers nationwide. Whether you're building new or repairing old, it provides professional results. We've included step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Even if you're a beginner, you can easily create or repair your upholstery. It links all the springs together, creating a supportive base. This distributes your weight evenly for a more comfortable seating experience. Repairing your furniture is much more economical than buying a new one. Save money and extend the life of your sofa. This kit contains everything you need: 20 feet of 16-gauge wire, 40 clips, and clear instructions. You're all set to get started. What we like? This uses the same high-quality wire used by furniture makers. It's a budget-friendly way to fix your couch. If you're on a budget but want a reliable repair, this is a great option. What people say. Worked very well on my 11-year-old Ashley furniture couch that my 9-year-old son likes to jump on. It comes coiled and has a lot of potential energy, so be very, very careful when unraveling it, as it really wants to uncoil with a lot of force and potentially take your eye out. I purchased this to repair my sofa, which had a single wire that had broken in several places. This has made my sofa significantly more comfortable and supportive. In about 1.5 hours start to finish, I brought our sofa back from the brink of the trash pile. Exactly what I needed to perform my couch cushion repairs. Easy to use, easy to install once I had all the proper tools on hand. I recommend this product for DIY projects. Just make sure you have all the right tools, bolt cutters or heavy-duty wire cutters recommended, for the job. Number 3. Kaupuar 21 Sofa Spring Kit. Tired of that sagging sofa? This kit makes replacing your old springs a breeze. It's the perfect solution for restoring your furniture to its former glory. It features high-resilience chrome springs built to last. They're designed for sofas, chairs, recliners, even automotive seats. Forget complicated instructions. Our innovative design simplifies installation. Just watch our quick video tutorial and you'll be done in no time. Everything you need is right here: springs, clips, hooks, nails, even the right size nails to save you a trip to the hardware store. Replacing your springs is far more affordable than buying new furniture. This kit offers a cost-effective way to revitalize your seating. It's designed for sofas with springs around 21 to 25 inches. While it's easy to install, having a friend or using tools can make it even easier. What we like? It features a unique, easy-to-install design that requires minimal effort. The kit includes everything you need, even the nails. If you want a quick and easy fix without a lot of fuss, this is perfect for you. What people say. This set of 4 was closest to the length of my originals. I also ordered House 2 home upholstery stay wire for sofa furniture springs, 20 feet with 40 clips, 16 gauge, so that I could put some of the cross wires back to keep the springs in place. Easy to install and better quality than the ones that broke on my couch. These are pretty good springs for my rocking chair that had broke under the seat. Pretty easy to install and very functional. Number 2. House 2 Home 27 Couch Spring Kit. Is your couch looking a little worse for wear? This kit has everything you need to fix those sagging cushions and give your furniture a new lease on life. It's a simple solution for a comfortable seat. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a complete solution. It includes high-quality springs, clips, wire, screws, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is right here. We use commercial-grade, heavy-duty materials, so you can be confident that it will last. These aren't flimsy parts, they're built to withstand years of use. We know tackling home repairs can be daunting. That's why we've created simple, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the entire process. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. These 8-gauge springs are the industry standard. They're used in sofas, chairs, recliners, and even car seats. You're getting the same quality springs used by professionals. Each spring measures 27 inches long, but they can be easily cut to a shorter length if needed. It's the perfect fit for your furniture. What we like? This offers a comprehensive solution with all the necessary components. The detailed instructions guide you through every step. If you need a durable and long-lasting repair, this is your best bet. Number 1. House 2 Home 23 Couch Spring Kit. Is your couch losing its support? This kit has everything you need for a lasting fix. Let's get started. It includes high-quality springs, clips, wire, screws, and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have all the parts you need in one convenient kit. These aren't flimsy springs. They're made from commercial-grade, heavy-duty materials built to last. Your sofa will feel brand new. We know DIY can be daunting. That's why we've created simple, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the entire process. These 8-gauge zigzag springs are the industry standard. They're used in sofas, chairs, recliners, and more, providing superior comfort and support. Each spring measures 23 inches long, but they can easily be cut to a shorter length if needed. Perfect for any project. What we like? It's a complete kit with everything you need for a successful repair. The easy-to-follow instructions make the job manageable. If you value convenience and a permanent solution, this is ideal for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.